This 711 centimeter motorhome is the Benimar Sport 346. It has an overcab up there and it costs €65,500. You can get two people up there to sleeping. You've got the lighter there and a skylight, that is, and a window there. Here you've got an enormous amount of sitting area. You've got four places around the table and 4 belted positions, making a total of 6, because the drive and the passenger seat also have belted positions. Here we have the hobs, and here we have some spaghetti. There's a couple of spoons. I don't think these things come with it. And here we shall find a sink. There's the sink. Fat fridge here, and if you've got that many people in here, you're going to need a fat fridge and a fat freezer. Storage here, wardrobe here. Here's the toilet. I'll turn the light on, only I bet it's not working. And there's a place in the shower to hang your socks from. Steps up there with storage in them. And here we have a bed, which you can move up and down if you want. I think that's meant to be 2 people in that bed. Slatted, comes with nets. And let's go at the front. Now this is a vehicle which I think is designed to carry lots of people. So get 2 there, 2 sleeping here, 2 up there. It's about 17 people will go in here. And let's have a look at the garage. There's the electrical hookup. There's the grill for the fridge, and here is the garage. And this bed here, as can be seen, will go up. So its rear end, you can put a bicycle rack carrier, whatever they're called, on that. And if you like the idea of doing these videos this quickly, you might want to give this a like. If you don't, then I have done these in more detail. But that's to give you an idea. That is the Benimar 346, and it looks as though it's just crashed into this tree, or about to crash into the tree. So thanks for watching, and all the best from Germany, and see the links for more details.